Aku por waklat ke Belanda te. Ia berok sangut ya rak kesenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah buat ufrai dia. Kam no ke cing car am. Tip syuk kan long kom no lah dah. Yap sama no mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong yang katong kacongpi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Us Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills ubak Vivek's im haka arpusan untuk ujemang arajar phundri uloong bagi pulit kelap penlong hingga jing Tohkit ke bebenia halo ke Jingshah penjulor ke yit ke Basyadin jong ke kali bolero upasta McDonald pingrop laga don Jingjia day bat ke Ïakynad hapring ke Balang Presbyterian Maukhar lani ke David tang ke jing temu kirunar bentuk AA napok kali haga Ïakynad kilar thai ke bor SP uloong bahaka sengi ublay ka arpusaw tru ujemang arajar arphundriu hakapor kumakana shiteng minmit ki pulit kelio jingtip bakakali bolero rongli jong pastor McDonald pingrop blapen yeng harut surok wa ingdo klasya pinjulor nakibinta jong kayit Basyadin ulai thu bau pastor McDonald ula ujor yak e jahar halum ding juri police station but yak e jahar ki pulit klashim kom ke 0 FIR but yak berapa Shasadar police station.
So yesterday in the evening at about 9:30 we got an information that Pastor McDonald Pungrop's white Bolero which was parked alongside the road at Koingdor was vandalized. The rear glass of the vehicle was broken and for that he has filed an FIR at Lumijri and the same was treated as a 0 FIR and which was transferred to Sadar. So Sadar police station has taken up a non-cognizable case whereby it's going to be registered after cognizance is received from court. Police is making all efforts to find out the culprit. We also trying to ascertain whether the culprit had intentions of stealing from, because there were things inside the vehicle, and or whether it had ulterior motives. Yes, I mean already there's a rift in the church, but we will be able to ascertain after we investigate the matter whether it has to do with the rift in the church or whether it is a simple case of crime against property. Yes, he was the same person.
What is the update on that?
Well, the first case has been charge sheeted, where about 3 crores was found missing. Pastor McDonald has filed an additional FIR that about 4 crores, over 4 crores has been misappropriated. We have taken up that matter with the court, and court has given us direction that it will still continue with the same case only, and in case any new events or evidence crops up, then it's going to be continued with the same investigation. No, the one was 3 crores and then he's saying no, it's gone beyond 3 crores to about 4 crores and beyond.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride